One of the most common questions men have is, how can I increase my testosterone levels? Now, it's no surprise as to why they would want to increase their testosterone levels. I mean, it is called the male hormone for a reason. So let's make one thing clear. While it's true that most of the testosterone in one's body is governed by their genetics, that doesn't mean you can't improve and boost your testosterone levels. Yes, you might have read or heard about things like working out, food, etc. being important for your testosterone, but the one key factor that can help you in boosting your testosterone levels is your mindset. Yes, the other things are important too, but their effect will only be visible if your mind is in the right place. Another thing to note is that when it comes to things like food and physical fitness, they will only be beneficial for you if certain conditions are met. For example, zinc pills are often said to boost a man's testosterone levels, but unless you have a zinc deficiency, these pills aren't going to do much for you. Or, let's take working out as an example. Yes, working out helps release happy chemicals in your brain and helps to increase testosterone, but these things only come with consistency. You can't just work out for a month or so and expect a boost in your testosterone levels. Plus, these benefits only show themselves if you have a healthy, manly mindset. Otherwise, they won't be of much help. Now, how does one go about changing their mindset? It's easier said than done, but with discipline and hard work, it can be done. First, of course, you're going to have to analyze your own shortcomings and then work on improving those aspects of your mindset. As testosterone is the male hormone, it is undoubtedly affected by manly habits, which is why it's necessary to start incorporating masculine habits in your lifestyle. These habits can be anything from listening to masculine music like metal and rock, to working out, surrounding yourself with masculine friends, playing sports, or even doing things like helping someone move, chopping wood, and whatnot. Start doing things that you fear and conquer that fear. For example, if you're a man who is afraid of heights, then start conquering that fear. Now, I don't mean for you to go paragliding right from the get-go, but start working on ways to improve your fear, like going to a high-up place and staring down and stuff like that. Or if you're a man who's afraid of talking to women, then go out there and start talking to them. Visit bars or cafes or someplace similar and just attempt talking to them. Yes, there's a possibility that you're going to fail miserably at first. In fact, some women might even insult you. But it's a risk that you must be willing to take if you wish to conquer your fears. Then you have to keep in mind one important thing. Being a man with high testosterone does not, in any way, imply that you have to be an aggressive and rude person. Young men who act like jerks are nothing more than children pretending to be men. Someone who actually has high testosterone levels is like a shed sword. He has the potential to be extremely deadly, but he does not go around being aggressive to everyone in his life. A man with high testosterone is confident in himself and does not need to boast about it. He has a deep and silent demeanor. One of the most important things that you can do in order to increase your testosterone levels and become a masculine man is to be ambitious. Have a purpose and goal in life. A man who is focused on his goals is like a powerful wave of water against the earth. Yes, the earth is unmoving, but the water does not give up. It keeps on going until the land gives way to it. That's how the manly man is. He doesn't give up. He keeps working until he has achieved his goals. And as a man focused on his goals, you will tend to avoid trash women. Instead, you will be attracted to women that can complement your mindset. As a masculine man, you will start to attract decent, feminine women, not the type that want to be men. One more thing, if you think that your testosterone levels are unnaturally low, don't be afraid to consult a doctor and have them checked. If necessary, you can talk to your doctor about things like trait, which is one of the few things that can actually help your testosterone, unlike over-the-counter pills that barely affect your testosterone, if at all. But I would avoid pharmaceutical treatments unless they're the only option left. Instead, here are some natural ways to increase your testosterone. Number 1, healthy fats. Contrary to what most people might think, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats are one of the few nutrients that are necessary for a healthy body, and they also help in increasing your testosterone. So be sure to add some healthy fats to your diet, and keep that in moderation as per your body requirements. Number 2, having a balanced diet. That means that your diet should contain all of the necessary nutrients for your body. That includes all the various vitamins and minerals. Try to eat fruits and vegetables, but don't let go of meat either. Keep a balance in your diet. Number 3, lift weights. Lifting weights has been scientifically proven to work as a testosterone booster. Try to focus more on lifting weights when you're at the gym. Do exercises like deadlifts, bench presses, and weighted squats. Lifting weights also helps your mood and releases endorphins in your body. Number 4, get a good amount of sleep. Sleep is, by far, the most important factor when it comes to your testosterone. When you go to sleep, your body starts to more efficiently digest food. It also reconstructs your muscles after working out and builds them to be stronger than before. All of this happens when you're in the deep sleep phase of your sleep, which starts after about 3 or 4 hours of sleep. So try to get a good 8 hours of sleep every day. Number 5, avoid stress. Stress is the opposite of sleep when it comes to your body, where sleep makes your body healthier and recovers all of the damage that was done to it during the day. Stress does the opposite. Stress actually reduces the testosterone in your body because when you are stressed out, a hormone called cortisol is produced in excess. Cortisol can negatively impact your testosterone levels, so be sure to manage your stress levels. Number 6, try using Ashwagandha, an Ayurvedic herb in your life. Taken with milk just before bed, Ashwagandha can help your testosterone levels, reduce stress, and even calm your mind. Maybe even consider adding some almonds or cashew to the mix, and you'll start to notice the benefits within weeks. These were some of the key things that can help you increase your testosterone levels. If you're interested in knowing more, be sure to hit subscribe. Like the video too, as it can help the video reach more men looking for a purpose and direction in life.